right here in the heart of New Plymouth. There's so much going for it. 11C, Hurst House Street. We offer it up for sale by public auction tonight. Folks, I'm in your hands. Call it for an opening bid. Where do we see value? Anywhere in the room, starting off somewhere, doesn't matter where we start. Where do we finish? $250,000. That's your opening bid, thank you sir. $250,000. Good strong opening bid, ladies and gentlemen. $250,000. Do we have any rise on that? Can I call for maybe 10 on top? 260 perhaps. $250,000 we have right here, right down the front. $250,000 we have. Maybe another 5 on top, maybe take us to 255. 250 the bid here right now. 255 we'll call for. 250,000, 5, thank you sir, welcome in, 255, thank you, the bid is against you now sir, 255, another 5 perhaps to 260, 260 we have, thank you sir, $260,000 the bid, another 5 perhaps sir, 265, thank you, 265 we have, nice work, 265, can we take another 5, 270 forward, 270, thank you, $270,000 folks, $270,000 we have, another 5 from you perhaps, yes, 275, 275 against you now, 5 again to 280, 280,000, 280,000, that's the bid at the moment, maybe another 5, yes, 285, thank you, welcome back, 285 against you now, 285, another 5 perhaps to 290, 285 once we have, 285, 290, 290, thank you, $290,000 the bid at the moment on the left, 95 perhaps can we say, 295 we have, 295 over that sir, perhaps to 313, 312, 500 we have at the moment, $312,500 the bid, 13, 313, 313 is determined, 313,000, so are you though, so are you, you're a fighter, I like it, 313,000 we've got, 313, another 500 from you maybe, 313,000 we have once, twice, third final time we sell it, $313,000, make no mistake, the keys are changing, 11C Hurst House Street, $313,000 is going, stop.